Hi, and welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, we're going to take a look at doing a multi-level sort. This request comes from my friend Lisa. Thank you so much for the request. So let's say you got this data set and you want to sort it by location. So for example, you'll have all the Boston data together, all the Chicago, all the Atlanta. But within that, you want it sorted by how old the accounts are. So I want to do two levels of sorting. Now you can do as many levels as you have columns. I have 5 columns of data. You could do 5 levels of sort, but let's just do 2 for this example. For this, you need a custom sort. So you can either right click somewhere in your data and choose sort, custom sort, which will launch this window, or you can click the sort icon, which is found on the data tab of the ribbon. So it launches. And so right now it's currently sorted by account number. Make sure you have this check mark selected also that says my data has headers. So in this example, I don't want to sort by account numbers at all. So I'm going to change that to client location. So all the Atlanta data will come first, then the Boston data. But here's the piece that I think is what's of interest. I want to click add level and then say sort by account open. Notice that it recognizes the client location as a text column, so it's saying sort A to Z. You could reverse it Z to A if you wanted to. It also recognizes that the values in the account open column are dates, so you get the choices of oldest to newest and newest to oldest. We'll leave it on oldest to newest. So that's it, sort by location. Within that, sort by account open date. Let's go ahead and click OK. So you see all the Atlanta data is sorted together, and within the Atlanta data we have an account as old as January 13, 2015. Keep scrolling through Atlanta, you'll see the dates keep getting more and more recent. So they are in order within the Atlanta data. So we end with the last Atlanta record on 12/27 of 21. Then once the Boston data starts, the first record is 2/10 of 2015, May 3rd of 2015, so on and so forth, until you hit the end of the Boston data. The Boston data ends on 12/16 of 2021, and then the Chicago data. So that's how you do it. That's a multiple level sort. In this example, sorted by client location and then the account open date. Remember, you can get there by right clicking on a single cell and choosing sort, custom sort, and you then get the window where you can select those options. You can also do this if you're not a right click kind of person. Just click a single cell within your data set and click the sort icon up on your data tab of your ribbon, and it's the same window. I hope you find this useful. Please check in again soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.